In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an email list with LinkedIn. So if you're excited, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Hit the notification bell as well. Guys, well, let's jump into my laptop and let's go. Alright, so let's start right away. Well, this is my LinkedIn right now. Well, I'm not very active on LinkedIn, but the first step is you go to my network. So, well, you see some people over here, but they're not imported right now. You head over to connections, and as you can see, 167 connections right now. Next, you head over to manage synced and imported contacts. Well, now it says you don't have any synced contacts. So next you click on export contacts. So as you can see, download your data, download an archive of your account data, posts and connections and more. Alright, well then you can click on this one over here, the works, or pick and choose. So well, pick and choose. Select the data files you're most interested in. You can select articles, imported contacts, invitations, connections, messages, profile. But yeah, I'm interested in all the individual files plus more. So you click on request archive. For your security, enter your password. Alright, we enter our password. We will send you an email when your download is ready. So next we head over to our email. Alright, so then you head over to your email, and well, after a couple of minutes you receive this email over here. Here's just the first part of the information we've archived for you, including things like connections, etc, etc. You can download it with this link. So apparently I have too many people to get exported, so this is just the first part. So I click on it, and then I automatically head over to well, the main page. Download your data again, etc, etc. This is something that we've already seen, and well, then you click on download archive. So as we can see over here, we download a zip file, and well, I'm going to unzip it. So I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, so what you see next is all these files: connections, education, email addresses, etc, etc. So the next step is just open it with Excel, but I do not have Excel installed on my laptop, so I have an alternative. Well, I'm going to open it with Google Drive. So I head over to Google Drive. Well, it's in Dutch, but I'm going to translate it. You click on new one. Google spreadsheets, an empty spreadsheet. Alright, so once it's done, you click on file, import. Next you click on upload, and well, we click on connections, for example. Alright, and then we click on import. Alright, so now it has exported all these names, all these people. So first name, last name, email address, company, position, connected on. Well, a lot of people over here, as you can see. And the next step is to just yeah, get these people on your autoresponder to build your list. So what I'm going to do is I'm heading over to Getresponse. Well, I use Getresponse as my email marketing service. You can use Aweber or whatever, but I like Getresponse. So the first thing we do is we go to contact. So then you see your list. Well, I click on create a new list. Well, let's say that we call it test 1. Just an example, guys, for the purpose of this video. Alright, so you click on it, and you click on add contacts, and then you need to select your list. Well, we just created one, How do you want to add contacts one by one manually, or upload a file using external servers or past roles? Well, we just uploaded, or we just downloaded a new file. So we click on that, drag and drop file, or choose your file. Well, we click on it, and here they are. So I click on connections, for example, and it's ready for upload. So what should we do with the contact information? So I really recommend you guys to click on only add new, because you do not want to send out duplicate emails to people that are on your list. So they maybe can consider it as spam. So just click on only add new. So then you click on I have permission to add these people to my list, and well, you will upload all these people to your database. So once you have created your list, then you need to send out an email, of course. So you head over to email marketing. So as you can see, manage newsletters. Newsletter is another word for broadcast. So we click on create newsletter, drag and drop email editor, and then we select our list. Message name, well, then you can just freestyle. I don't know what you want to send to your audience, but just for the demo, rest of a test, subject test. Well, this is your email address, and here you have a lot of pre-designed templates, but I like to just start from scratch and click on blank template. So as you can see, text block, pre-header, image block, etc, etc. You double click on text block, and well, then you can craft your email. Etc, etc. Then you can just write it down, whatever you want. Alright, blah 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 blah. So that's basically it. What happens next? If I click on next step, I will send this email to the entire list, to the entire test list. So everybody on that list will receive this email, and that's basically everybody that you just exported to your database. So that is basically it. That is really easy how you build an email list using LinkedIn. Alright, so just before I forget it, for what should you use this list? Well, I have two examples for you. Let's say that you want to optimize your LinkedIn page, and then you can send all your connections basically an email like, well, hey, this is Giorgio. Can you give me a recommendation on my LinkedIn profile? I'm looking for a job and I need a recommendation. Blah blah blah, etc, etc. Or just a heads up. Let's say that you're just starting a business, and you just want to let your connections know that you're going to do it, and then you can send an email to everybody on your list. So that kind of emails, instead of going to LinkedIn and to select everybody. Well, not a lot of people are using LinkedIn regularly. Alright, and something I want to add is watch out for commercial offers. So do not spam, and make sure that people give you permission to keep sending them emails. And guys, that's it basically. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well if you want to see more tutorials, more tips and tricks about blogging, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, etc, etc. And well guys, I hope you liked the video, and I see you in the next one.